I'm mostly here, make my mark, but low-key I think I made a spark, and hopefully I go swim and shark shit. I know this ain't my best, no worst, I'm open, I don't fall first, that's why I need traction. I'm too far gone, everybody shut up, my part's on. Hardest part of the song is the part that I start on. Shorty sent a text with the heart song. Caught a glimpse in the booth and I missed the committing arson. What, who's in the verse and the hook? Two dogs looking paradoxins. In my bag like I'm Mary Poppins. In my bag only I see content. In my grass I'm avoiding toxins. In my hat like a hat trick, this is magic. I mean I'm back with the tricky tactics. If this is cap, I'm the freaking captain. I mean I'm gas, like a freaking gas can. I mean I'm bad shit, I'm twice as graphic. Cause my drive like a spaceship, it's intergalactic. I mean imagine if your passion was even half this. Y'all don't even got a fraction, a man of action. And our reaction with every release, I'm getting traction. Mostly here, make my mark, but low-key I think I made a spark, and hopefully I go swim and shark shit. I know this ain't my best, no worst, I'm open, I don't fall first, that's why I need traction. Just to relax, I'ma need a triple dose of Klonopin and 80 proof of Citron. It's got me tripping, I'm probably gonna need some pictures like a Milo. I can try to wrap it up, but this thing ain't a burrito. The beat was hard, but now it's harder like I gave it libido. I gave it beautiful vocals, a hella bonito. And I bet on myself, and really never casinos, I'll never placebo. And even if I woke up and I looked like I was Danny DeVito, yeah, I would still be looking up to me just like a pedestal. I got my green and vegetables, I'm counting numbers, and then I'm gonna count the decibels. I'm quite the spectacle, I'm dripping chemicals, I'm talking to professionals. As if I couldn't hold my own, hold my phone. They acting like I need it when they throw a bone, but no, that's far-fetched. Shut up. I'm mostly here, make my mark, but low-key I think I made a spark, and hopefully I go swim and shark shit. I know this ain't my best, no worst, I'm open, I don't